Hello guys, welcome to this video. So guys, I know I did not post a video for more than 40 days, right? So I'm sorry for that. Actually, I was busy in some other work. Okay, so you can expect 3 videos in a week, right? So I'll try to put more than 3 videos, but you can expect videos for every week. Okay, so guys, I'm going to build this contact management system. Okay, so it is going to be a very simple application. Okay, so it is going to have categories like this, like health, fitness, education, food, IT, like that. So when I click on food, you will see the contacts that belongs to the food. I mean, it works like yellow pages, right? So right now it's a static website. I don't have any functionalities written in the front end. Okay, so we are going to do that in the upcoming series, right? So when I click on finance, the contacts that belong to finance gets loaded here, and we have a more button here. When I click on this, it is going to load the next 10 items at the bottom. So exactly like lazy loading, right? Okay, so when I click on this add my profile, it takes you to the page where the user can add their details, and when you click on submit, it gets added to the database. Okay, so user can enter the application only when he logs in with his email address and password. Okay, so if you don't have the login credentials, he has to go to the sign up page and register himself to the application. And when I go to this page, my profile, it is a my profile page, right, where it shows all the details of the user along with the profile image. So when I click on choose file and click on this image and click on upload, you would see it gets uploaded to the database and it gets loaded to the front end. Now when I choose the other image, right, so this is my image. Let's see how it gets uploaded to the database, and that is brought to the front end, but it takes some time. Okay, so we can fix that in the React application. Okay, so the idea here is I'm going to build the same user interface with jQuery as well as with React. So why do I need to develop a same interface with two different technologies is, so guys, the first thing you should understand is what is DOM, how to build a DOM, right? How the DOM gets constructed as a web page, right? So we are having a HTML page and we are writing a JavaScript code at the backend. Okay, so how the DOM works in the front end, whenever an change happens in the front end, how the page works, how the DOM reacts, how the entire controls gets loaded is what you have to understand, right? So first thing is you have to understand the basic, what is DOM, and how the DOM reloads when the page is requested, how the DOM is constructed with the help of HTML and JavaScript. So if you understand all these things, then React will be very easy for you. And how React helps us in building an application very fastly, because React works in the component model, like we will develop components and we will merge it wherever required. So all those things we are going to learn here with the difference, right? So I hope this application is going to be really interesting, because the same front end with jQuery and React, so you would not have seen in any tutorial. And the backend is going to be the Node.js, Express, and the database is going to be mongoDB, right? So here I have written the image upload functionality alone in the backend as well as the front end. That's why there's a change happening in the front end. You see it gets uploaded to the database and my image is shown as a profile image. So whenever I change the image, okay, So when I go to the admin view, so this is going to be the admin's view. Okay, so whenever the admin comes into the application, you will be able to see all the profiles listed in the application, and also you can edit on clicking this and update the details whenever required. And also the admin can log in or sign up, right? uh, and also the logout functionality. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned guys. Keep watching my videos, keep supporting me. I know you guys give me great support for my videos. I'm expecting the same for my upcoming series. So guys, we'll see soon. Bye.